Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about conversion of units of length. As you know, we can change the unit of any measurement, that is by converting it to other unit. Here you can see the relation between meter and centimeter. As you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So you have to observe some examples. Let's start with first one. Here we have to convert 4 meter into centimeter. As you know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. M stands for meter and cm is centimeter. So what to do is, we have to convert this 4 meter. We are going to multiply this number by 100 because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 4 multiply 100. So it will be 400 centimeter. If we have to convert 7 meter, so it will be 7 multiply 100. So 700. If it is 25, then 25 multiply 100. So this will change into 2500 centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. 4 meter equals 400 centimeter. 7 meter 700 centimeter. 25 meter 2500 centimeter. This way we have to solve. Let's solve other examples. Here in this question we have both meter and some centimeter already given. So we have to express it into centimeters. So what to do? First we have to convert this meter. 7 meter is 700 centimeter. 7 multiply 100. 700 centimeter. This 32 centimeter already given. So this we are going to add. Plus 700 plus 32. So it will turn into 732 centimeter. So we can solve like this. 7 multiply 100 plus 32 centimeter. This is 700. This one is 32. So our answer is 732 centimeter. Let's see next example. Here we have 18 meter. We have to express this in centimeters. So what we'll do? We will multiply this number 18 by 100 plus 93 centimeter already given. So here we will get 1800 centimeter plus 93 centimeter. And now if we will add, we will get 1893 centimeter. So 18 meter 93 centimeter equals to 1893 centimeter. Let's see how to express centimeter in meters. As you know, 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So while converting meter into centimeter, we have multiplied that number. And if you have to convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide. To change centimeter into meter, divide the number of centimeter by 100. Let's see some example. Here we have 598 centimeter. This we have to convert into meter. So what we will do? We will divide this number 598 by 100. So 100 fives are 500 and here remainder we got 98. So it is 5 meter 98 centimeter. Our answer is 5 meter 98 centimeter. We can solve like this. 598 means 500 plus 98. So here 500 centimeter means we'll divide by 100, we'll get 5. 5 meter and this 98 centimeter. This is our answer. 5 meter 98 centimeter. Let's see other example. Here we have 2516. So it can be 2500 plus 16. 2500 plus 16. Now 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. So 2500 centimeter equals 25 meter and this 16 centimeter. You can divide also like this. We can solve 25 16 and this we have to divide by 100. So let's do 100 2s are 200. Now here we will write 1, then this one 5. Now bring this 6 down, you will get 516. So 100 5s are 500 and 16 is your remainder. So 25 meter and 16 centimeter is your answer. So this way we can solve it, all these problems. Let's see relation between meter and kilometers. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. km stand for kilometer and here m means meter. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So how to convert kilometer in meter? Let's see. While converting, we have to multiply that number by 1000. Here 1 kilometer 1000 meter. So 6 kilometer equals to 6 multiply 1000. So 6 multiply 1000 is 6000 meter. Let's see other. Here we have 42 kilometer. Means 42 multiply 1000. So we got 42,000 meter. Let's see next example. Here we have kilometer as well as meter also. So what to do? To change kilometer into meter, we have to multiply by 1000. So it will change into 2 multiply 1000. So 2000 meter and this we are going to add plus 449 meter. So it will be 2449 meter. But if you have to express meter in kilometer and meter, what to do? In this case we have multiplied. But while converting meter to kilometer we have to divide and kilometer to meter we have to multiply, same as centimeter and meter. So let's see, this we have to divide 4665. So this number we have to divide by 1000. 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, like this. Thousands 4 are 4000. 1000 fours are 4000. So 665 is our remainder. This is 4 kilometer and 665 meter. You can write solve like this. 4000 plus this one 665 meter. So it will change into 4 kilometer and this will remain 465 meter. So this way you can solve all the problems that include conversion of units of length. Do its practice. Thank you.